Everyone will respect you. Just leave these 6 habits, a powerful Zen story. In a serene village embraced by towering mountains, a young man named Aspire resided. He was recognized far and wide for his intelligence, warm-heartedness, and diligence. He had an innate charm that made people gravitate towards him, but despite all his admirable traits, he was still unable to garner the respect he truly deserved. There were 6 ingrained habits holding him back, inhibiting his potential to truly excel. Procrastination was the foremost habit. Aspire constantly postponed tasks, always under the impression there was abundant time. This led to missed opportunities and incomplete projects. His family and friends acknowledged his capabilities, but also voiced their concerns about his habitual delays. Aspire recognized that his progress was hampered by this habit, yet he lacked the willpower to rectify it. One fortunate day, Aspire met a renowned Zen master known for his profound wisdom. Hoping to overcome his obstacles and gain the respect he yearned for, he sought the master's counsel. He trekked up a nearby mountain where the Zen master resided in a humble temple. The wise master greeted Aspire warmly, patiently listening to his struggles. To earn respect from others, the Zen master advised, one must first respect oneself. To do that, Aspire needed to break free from his detrimental habits. Eager to learn and change, Aspire listened intently to the master's guidance, ready to embrace a new path. With each passing day, as Aspire consciously worked towards changing his habits, he started to notice transformations within himself. His increased discipline impressed others, and his enhanced self-belief inspired those around him. As he embraced his failures as lessons rather than defeats, he felt increasingly resilient. He also let go of seeking validation from others, paving the way to genuine self-discovery. Aspire learned to go with the flow of life, releasing his need for control and trusting the natural course of things. Aspire's transformation was not just a personal victory, it also brought about a significant change in his village. His newfound wisdom and strength sparked respect and admiration among the villagers. Aspire's inspiring journey motivated others to confront their own negative habits and embark on their paths of self-improvement. Aspire's story became a beacon of hope, demonstrating that anyone who is courageous enough to confront and overcome their inhibiting habits can earn respect. From that day forward, Aspire continued to guide others on their journey of growth and self-improvement. He became a mentor, sharing his wisdom and helping others overcome their challenges. He showed everyone that they have the power to change their lives and earn the respect they deserve. Looking out at his village, Aspire felt a deep sense of gratitude for his enlightening journey and the respect he had finally earned by confronting his habits.